In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your YouTube channel to your LinkedIn profile. This is a quick update that makes it easy for people on LinkedIn to discover your videos, subscribe, and learn more about your work. We'll keep it simple and make sure everything is crystal clear. First, head to your YouTube channel and grab the link. Open your channel homepage in a browser and copy the full URL from the address bar. Make sure it points to your main channel, not to a single video or a studio page. If you see any extra characters after the channel address, you can remove them so the link is clean and takes visitors straight to your channel. Next, go to your LinkedIn account and sign in. From your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top of the screen and click the Me icon. In the menu that appears, choose View Profile to open your profile page. On your profile, find the pencil icon to the right of your profile photo, just under the banner. Click that to open your profile editing panel. In this panel, scroll down until you see the section for contact details, then click Edit Contact Info. This is where LinkedIn keeps your websites and other ways for people to reach you. In the Contact Info window, scroll to the bottom and select Add Website. Paste the YouTube channel link you copied earlier into the website field. Double check that the link begins with HTTPS, so it's secure and works on all devices. When you're confident the link is correct, click Save. That's it. Your YouTube channel is now attached to your LinkedIn profile. Anyone who visits your profile and opens your contact info will see the link and can click straight to your channel. If you want to verify it, open your profile as a visitor or simply click Contact Info yourself, then follow the link in a new tab to confirm it loads correctly. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your profile and try again. It takes just a minute and keeps your profile consistent across platforms. You can repeat these steps anytime if you update your channel link or rebrand your channel URL. This small addition can boost your visibility, showcase your content, and help your professional network find your videos without hunting for them. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.